Cleaning the bath is a back-breaking chore, and you can scrub your tiles, but they always need more. There has to be a better way. Introducing the all-new, the new Cordless and Rechargeable Power Scrub Brush that cleans faster and easier. Even those dirty old tiles are no match for the spin scrubber, blasting right through the grime, sparkly and clean every time. It makes quick work of calcium, soap and hard water stains clear and clean in seconds. The secret is the rotating brush, spinning at over 300 RPM. The incredible torque can bust through any caked-on crud with ease. So forget harsh chemicals. Restore the shine and luster of any surface in a flash. And you'll never need batteries because it's completely rechargeable. Cleaning doesn't have to take all day. There has to be an easier way. The Hurricane Spin Scrubber is so light and easy to use.